Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Teship. Dear student, look, today our topic Algebraic Expression, Exercise 3.1, question number 13, 14 and 15. Our lesson number 1, our lesson number 3 is the norm 1. Okay, our lesson norm 3 is the norm 1. Today I will solve these three questions 13, 14 and 15. Dear student, remember 13, 14 and 15, these three questions are different on the formula. Okay, already I have discussed the formula in lesson norm 1. I hope you memorize the formula. Okay, question number 13. Please read. Express a plus 2b into 3a plus 2c as the difference of two squares. Okay. Look, we know, at first you write let a plus 2b equal to what? X, and 3a plus 2c equal to y. Okay, therefore we know x y equal to what? X plus y by 2 whole square minus x minus y by 2 whole square. Okay. Student, notice here, you see, this is the difference of two square. Okay. This is the formula of difference of two square. Okay. You know the formula of AB. AB equal to what? A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. Only I have changed here the variable. Okay. Therefore, you write, therefore, a plus 2b, 3a plus 2c equal to what? Only you put the value. Look, a plus 2b plus 3a plus 2c by 2 whole square minus a plus 2b minus 3a minus 2c by 2 whole square. Okay, now we have to simplify now. 1a plus 3a 4a 2b plus 2c by 2 whole square minus what? Look, here is only 2b, so right here 2b minus 3a and here is plus a. So if we subtract, then you get minus 2a, and here is minus 2c divided by 2 whole square. Okay, now you see 4a 2b 2c, here 2 is the common, then you take 2 common, then 2a plus b plus c by 2 whole square minus, you see here 2 is the common, then we get 2b minus a minus c by 2 whole square. Now 2 and these 2 are vanish, 2 and 2 are 2 vanish, then we get 2a plus b plus c whole square minus b minus a minus c whole square. Student, notice here, you see this is the difference of two squares. Okay, this is the difference of two squares. So you have to write who is the required, which is the required difference of two squares. Student, notice here, you see the question, a plus 2b into 3a plus 2c. This is as a multiplication from or as a product from. So I have solved using the AB formula. We know the AB equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Using that formula, I will capable to prove that their difference will be what? Their difference of p square is the required answer. You see, which is the required difference of the two squares. Okay, I have make this multiplication to as a required difference of two square from. Okay, now I will solve the question number 14. You see the question number 14. Express x square plus 10x plus 24 as the difference of two squares. You can solve this problem also the previous method, but you see this is as a expression from. Okay, this is not as a product from. So at first you may you may transfer this expression as a product from or another way. Okay, so I will choose in another way. Let us solve. X square plus 10x plus 24. Student, notice carefully. X square plus 2 into x into what? 5 plus 5 whole square. Student, notice here, look, I have taken here 5 square, which is extra. Okay, so this is extra, so I have subtract this 5 square. Then what is the value of this? That means value of this expression is remaining same. Okay, but why I have taken the 5 here? Why I have taken here 5? Because you see 5 to the what? 10x. This is 10x. Now it makes a formula. You see, now it makes a formula. Look, you see this expression like as this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, like that formula. So we have write according to that formula x plus 5 whole square. Okay, now 24 minus 5 square means 25. Now subtract this x plus 5 whole square. 24, you have to calculate now, plus 24 minus 25. Okay, calculate, then we get 1. Okay, can you give here square? If we taking the square, then its value also the remaining same. Because 1 square means what? 1 into 1, that means 1. Now student, notice here, you see this is the difference of two square. You see, this is the difference of two square. So this is the our required answer. Okay, right? Now write which is the difference of 2 squares. I hope you understood. Now I will solve the question number 15. Dear student, please notice the question number 2. This is very important. Very important question. Question number 15. If a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4 equal to 8 and a square plus ab plus b square equal to 4, this information has given. Now our question, find the value of a square plus b square. This is the question number 1. And question number 2, find the value of AB. Okay, let's solve. And first you write one number. I would like to solve now question number 1. Okay, so I have given here 1. Look, given that a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4 equal to 8. Suppose this is the equation number 1. Now a square plus ab plus b square equal to what? This is equal to 4. This is the equation 2. Okay, look. Now a power 4 plus a square plus b square, a square b square plus b power 4 equal to 8. Now this is the expression. We have to write this as a product from, look, then two a square b square. You see, here is only one a square b square, but here is 2. So this is more, so you have to subtract a square b square and plus 8. You see, 8 is the remaining same. Okay, or what is the formula? This can be written as a square plus b square whole square minus ab equal to 8. That's true. We know the formula of a square minus b square. Okay, now you have to write this as a product from. We know a square minus b square equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, right now a square plus b square plus ab, then a square plus b square minus ab equal to 8. Okay, or now put the value. You see, the value of a square plus b square plus ab equal to what? Equal to 4. You see, a square plus ab plus b square equal to 4. Okay, equation 2 and these are the same. So we put the value. This value is 4. A square plus b square minus ab equal to what? AB equal to 8. Okay. Now, or a square plus b square 8 division 4, because this is the multiplication problem, so this will be division. Therefore a square plus b square minus ab equal to what? You divide, then we get 2, and this is the equation number 3. A square plus b square minus ab equal to what? 2, and we have got or given that a square plus ab plus b square equal to 4. Okay, now we have to adding the equation 2 and 3. Why we have adding the equation 2 and 3? Because our condition is what? Our condition is we have to determine the value of a square plus b square. Okay, so now write Now adding equation 2 and 3, we get, adding equation 2 and 3 we get, adding now a square plus ab plus b square plus a square plus b square minus ab equal to what? 4 plus 2. You see, this is minus ab and this is plus ab, so this will be vanished. Then we get a square plus a square, 2a square, b square and b square, 2b square. This is equal to what? 6. Okay? Now you see, this is 2, that means coefficient is 2 and here is 6. We can divide this expression by 2. Okay? Then you get a square plus b square equal to what? 3. Now write, dividing both sides by 2. Okay? Therefore we write a square plus b square equal to 3. Okay, this is our required answer, a square plus b square equal to 3. Now I will solve the value of AB. Okay, let's solve. Now I will solve the B 2 number part. Okay, right, from 1 we got, from 1 we got, what we got? A square plus b square equal to 3. Also given a square plus ab plus b square equal to what? Equal to 4. This is given. A square plus ab plus b square equal to 4. This is given. Okay, now put the value. Look. A square plus b square ns now. Then put the value of 4. A square b square. A square plus b square equal to what? 3. Put the value. 3 ab equal to 4 or ab equal to what? 4 minus 3 1. Okay, that means AB equal to 1. This is our required answer. Dear student, I hope you understood this problem. Dear student, remember, this is very important for your exam. Okay. Dear student, now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. You see, SW number, this is the SW number 1. Okay, SW number 1. This is the SW number what? 1. This is the SW number 1. Exercise 3.1, question number 12. Question number 12, page number 52. Page number 52. Dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get the SPA marks, and this is very important for you. You submit all of your SW copy on every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay, within 9 AM to 3 PM, and you back these SW copies on next Saturday. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.